Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well. In this video I'm just going to show you a trade that I've taken on gold, a live trade, so you can show you how I've entered the trade, how I'm managing the trade, and also you can see how I've actually got to the point of from the weekly analysis to a daily, to a H4, to an entry on M15, and even broken on further. So as you can see in front of you, it's a live price action of gold on the 9th of May 2024. You can see the price is actually moving. So you'll see a lot of traders online, they've claimed they made 10,000, 20,000 pound, and they'll show you the entry that they've taken after the market has gone in their direction or not. But as you can see, this is a live trade. I entered the trade literally 5 minutes ago. Why did I enter the trade? Because it was near a level, H4 level and a H1 level, and once I did that, I went down to the M15 time frame, and you see this massive bearish engulfing candle. That is the current price action right now. As you can see, it's still plummeting down. I'm in a lot of profit at the moment, but what I did was I entered exactly just on time, otherwise I would have missed it. I had to break it down further on M5. As you can see, I entered it on this candle here. My stop loss was just above this wick, and as you can see, price is moving towards my TP. So this is how you can trade gold. I mean, you need to always trade on a level or close to a level. As you can see, prices respected this level from last Tuesday. So I knew once price has gone from the resistance to support, it's going to go back to this level, and from this level resistance, it's going to go back down. So as you can see, thankfully, I literally, if I entered 5-10 minutes later, I would have missed the trade. And as you can see, price is still within my direction, and I've put my TP here. It should be here, but I just thought, you know what, just in case price reverses, I'd be happy if TP was hit around here, which is approximately, what's that, 159 pips, 160 pips. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that to potentially hit. What I'll do is I'll explain how I actually mark the charts. If I just set my stop loss just here. So what I'll do is I'll set my stop loss just above here, just in case price does reverse. So if you just give me a second while I do that. As you can see, price is still bearish, so I've quoted just on time. TP, I'd move to a bit lower as well. So I've moved my TP to where I originally should have. And as you can see, that's how, in terms of managing the trade, because I've entered close to a level on H1, your then entry is M15 or M5. In this case, I did on M5. In terms of managing the trade now, just to make sure I've booked in some profits. If price does reverse to this level here, then at least this is a guaranteed profit that I've made on this trade. However, if I do see signs of reversal, I might close it earlier. But in terms of managing the trade, this is the amount of profit that I've booked in. So guaranteed I've won that much. Obviously, in terms of managing the trade, I need to keep an eye on it at the moment to see if price does continue to be bearish, or if it is going to be, consolidate or potentially reverse. So that's how you manage a trade. Otherwise, if I still have my stop loss here, and for example, if I'm at work or whatever, I'm busy, you would completely lose track of your profit. So I don't know whether this is going to continue to plummet down or it could reverse. So that's why it's always important to manage the trade. So here is my stop loss now. And as you can see, prices still continue to go down. And I'm expecting it to go at this level here. And then expect retracement back up. So it depends on the current price action, you see. Oops. But it still looks to be bearish, which is fine. Very good entry. So how did I get to this entry? Let's have a quick look. First of all, you start on the weekly time frame. You want your support and resistance. Here I've got support, there I've got resistance. Price changes from making a high low, from bearish to bullish, and here from bullish to bearish. You then go into a daily time frame, and you want to get your rectangle tool out. I can clearly see there's a support region here on the daily, and your resistance is here. Go to the H4 time frame, repeat the process once again. You can clearly see there's a H4 level here. Sorry, I'm going a bit too fast, but I need to manage your trade as well. And then obviously you can see your H1, which is your intraday time frame. You can clearly see it's at H4 level, so you could, if you're just trading H4 levels, you could have just took a sell now on this massive candle, wait for it to go here. But I'm trading intraday, so if you go into the Fibonacci retracement tool from the previous day or even the day before, you can see that there is a resistance here. Drag it all the way to support. These are your intraday levels. And there you go. Once price is near the level, we're looking for sells. When price is near here, we're looking for buys. As I just mentioned, you've seen my analysis. I entered on this candle here. I went into the M15 time frame. That was the ideal candlestick. I entered just after it. It was around here. I went on M5. I went even further because I knew it was going down. I entered on this candlestick here, as you could literally see just before the beginning of this video. And then I had my stop loss just above this wick, just in case it reverses. And then my TP is 32308. There's my, there you go. That is exactly the trade that I took about 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, and now I'm just managing the trade, waiting to take profit. So I hope you enjoyed that session, guys. I've just showed you a live entry of gold, how I'm currently managing it, and also how I got to the trade, how I marked the levels from the weekly to the entry time frame of M5. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.